Elafiti Islands. Apart from a large number of reefs and rocks, the Elafiti, or Deer Island group, includes 8 islands and 5 isles, of which only 3 are inhabited: Kolocep, Lopud, and Shipan. The island of Kolocep is the closest to Dubrovnik. The settlements, Gornjecello and Donjecello, are situated in the 2 largest bays. The eastern and western parts of the island are covered with thick pine woods stretching as far as the sea rocks. The crystal azure sea abounds with fish and shellfish. The dwellers of Kolocep used to be the best-known coral divers in the Mediterranean, but today they seldom dive and only for pleasure. Numerous monuments, including the remains of sarcophaguses, stone sculptures, chapels and churches, show that the island was inhabited at the time of antiquity.